Okay, welcome to the part 3 of how to design concrete building in Protastructure. So on this part 3 right now, I'll have to show you how to insert your beam and your slab, and also load your concrete slab, and how to apply your how to load your concrete slab, where we'll have to input the dead load and the life load on this our building right now. So if you want to see the part 1 and the part 2 of how we got to this stage, I will say you should check on the link down below this video description, and you can watch the part 1 and the part 2 of this video right now. So this is the part 3, and I'll be showing you the beams and the slab insertion right now. So to insert your beam right now, I will say you should click on this place called concrete beam right now, and then click on concrete beam right now, and then we will now have to go here now and go and set the beam width. This beam simply means beam width, and I will use my beam width as my column size, so that it can flush together. So I'll use right now beam width to be 225 millimeter, and then I'll leave this place as 0 because there is no shifting of the beams from the column center. So I also on this place right now called H button right now, this means the depth of the beam. So I would say you should use your minimum depth of beam to be 450. That's the minimum depth of beam you can use, and if there's any failure, you can increase to 600, 750, and 900. But right now, use your minimum depth of beam for any building that you're doing the design as 450. So right now, I will now go here right now and click at this place right now, and to insert my beam right now, and click on this place right now. To show here automatically right now, you can see it there right now. So right now again, I'll click on this place again right now, and then click at this place right now, and then continue to insert my beams automatically. You can see there right now. So this is why this software Protastructure is very good for to design concrete structure. I'll also click on this place right now, and then begin to insert my beams all around right now. So I'll click on this place to insert all around. I can also go here right now and click at the very end here. Since there are columns here, it will just divide the beams and insert columns. Let me just click here right now. You can see that. So right now, you can see there right now, and then click on this place right now, and then I'll now click on what escape right now. Now I'm start placing what they call internal beams right now. So I'm going to click on these beams right now and begin to place my beams on all these areas right now. Okay, and then before we go again, I'll say that if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, I'll say you should please subscribe to our button, subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss all our videos on this structure right now. Okay, I also click on this place right now and set my beams here. This is now our staircase right now. So there won't be a slab on this place when we get to our slab stage right now. Right now and insert here again right now. Okay, so right now we are done inserting our beams on the first floor. You can see it here right now. So we are done inserting all our beams, as you can see here right now. The next thing right now to do right now is to now go and insert our slab right now. So to insert our slab right now, I will say right now you should just click on this place called concrete member again right now, and then click on slab right now. You can see there. We have two types of slab. We have a rib slab and we have a solid slab. So click on this place right now, just called slab right now, and then a tele box will appear here. You have to now go and input your slab depth. I will say you should also take your slab minimum depth to be 150 millimeter. Okay, so right now again, we also have our cover of concrete for slab. I would say you should take here as 25 or 20, and then we go here right now and insert our slab load. On this dead load right now, I would say you should use the here to be 1.5, and this 1.5 was gotten by the load of the plastering, the load of the partition, and then the load of the finishing. So if you factor all together right now, it will give you around 1.5 or 1.6. But in this case right now, I would say you should use 1.5 for your dead load. And in time coming, I'll be explaining more to you on how you can get this dead load. That's why I say that if you have not click on the subscribe button, so you don't miss all these videos on how I'll be explaining you and then taking you through the design of concrete structure. I would say you should click on the subscribe button. Okay, so right now we will now have to insert our imposed load, which is called the life load. So in this place right now, I would say you should just right click here right now, and you will see several type of building to design. So in this case, we are designing for a one-story residential building. I would say you should click on this place called general domestic use. If you're designing for a hospital, you can click on this one and choose this one. If you're designing for a banking, I would say you should just click on use your banking. You can see there banking hall. And if you're designing for an office building, I would say you should use this one right now. And if it is for a shopping mall, you should use this one right now. And if it's for a church, or like for a church design, I would say you should use this one called general assembling area. But right now we are designing for a residential building, so I'll have to click here called general domestic views. So I'll click on this place right now, and I'll stay in this place right now. This level, leave it at 0, as you can see there, 0. So once you put this right now, and you can see your safe weight automatically given to you. This safe weight was gotten by the depth of the slab, and with the load and with the density of concrete. So that's how they got this safe weight. So right now, once you're done inputting this dead load and the life load, or what they call imposed load, and then checking out on this place also to input your slab depth of 150, I will now say that you should now go here right now and then click begin to click on the panels where you have your slab and begin to insert your slab right now. You can see that it will be showing here right now, and begin to insert your slab right now. And when we get to this place where we have our staircase, I'll have to jump it because slab must not be on the staircase. Staircase area is always void. So I'll jump here right now and begin to insert my slab here right now. So you can see that we have inserted all our slab right now on this place right now. I can now go here right now and click on what they call close, and then click on what they call escape here. So click on escape here right now, and then you can now see that we have inserted all our slab right now. You can see there our slab right now has been inserted perfectly, as you can see here right now. So right now we have inserted all our slab right now. Now there's what they call hinge and then fixed end. So I will say that I'll teach you that on what they call fixed and hinge end in our next video, and also in our next video also I will also show you how to insert our cantilever slab. The way we insert the way we insert cantilever slab in Protastructure is not the way we insert normal slab as you can see here. So right now in my next video right now I will show you how to insert a cantilever slab and also insert story in our next video. Okay, so right now we have come to the end of this video for the part 3 of this one story building design in Protastructure.